Banana. Welcome to Rainbow Learning. Let's have fun making ice cream. A scoop of mint chocolate chip ice cream and strawberry ice cream. One scoop of chocolate ice cream and vanilla. Hi, Mickey. What flavored ice cream would you like? Strawberry. Okay, let's make one. One strawberry. Two strawberries. Let's cool it down to make the ice cream. Wow, it's cold in here. I think the ice cream will be ready now. Let's make a scoop. One strawberry ice cream. It's Kung Fu Panda. What flavored ice cream would you like? Okay, orange. One orange. Two oranges. Let's get a scoop of delicious orange ice cream. Yummy! Hi, Dory. What flavored ice cream would you like? Banana flavored. Okay. One banana. Two bananas. Let's make a scoop of banana ice cream. Yummy banana flavored ice cream. Hi, Bugs. What flavored ice cream would you like? Pear and kiwi? Okay, I'll make that for you. One kiwi and one pear. Pear and kiwi ice cream. Hi, Rainbow Dash. What flavored ice cream would you like? Blueberry flavored bubblegum. Okay. Let's make a scoop of ice cream. Delicious blueberry ice cream. Hi, Minnie. What flavored ice cream would you like? Strawberry bubblegum flavor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yummy strawberry ice cream! It's Hello Kitty! What flavored ice cream would you like? Grape! Let's make a scoop of ice cream. Yummy! Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Learning Kitchen. Today I'm making breakfast. First I need to make some bread for the toast. I'll use white Play-Doh and brown Play-Doh to make the dough. Looks good. Let's mold it into the shape of the bread. I need to make 2 slices. That's 1 slice. Now I need to make the other. That's the second slice of bread made. Let's bake the bread in the microwave. Awesome! Now we can toast the bread. 1, 2. Do-do-do-do. I'm waiting for the toast to cook. Looks ready. Let's butter the toast. I think I'll put strawberry jam on the toast. Let's fry an egg to put on the other piece of toast. One fried egg. I'll carefully place the egg on the toast. There it goes. And that sure is one slippery, slidey egg on toast. Let's make some freshly squeezed orange juice. That's 1 orange. 2 oranges. Let's squeeze out the juice. Yay! 1 orange juice. I think I'll also make a strawberry smoothie. That's 1 strawberry. 2 strawberries. I'll add some strawberry yogurt and some milk. Let's blend. One strawberry smoothie. Thanks for helping me make breakfast. See you next time. Watching Rainbow Learning. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please subscribe.